Hello, I'm Andrew Morrice. I'm a GP and a human givens therapist, and thanks very much for your interest in this first of two new mind-body connection courses. We're really focusing a lot on what's useful for people training in psychological therapies, but we're very much looking at this balance between understanding enough about mental and emotional health, but situating that within our physical selves, our physical nature. So this first course looks first of all at our original human survival strategy and how that relates to the human givens model and to conceptions of health. And then what we have plenty of time for is then to explore the many connections between physical movement, we might call that exercise or activity, but the very many ways in which physical movement affects the functioning of the mind and the emotions. So that's the first place that we get more time in this new mind-body connection course. And then we'll also have a lot more time to explore the material relating to the physiology of emotions that we apply in our therapy work. Obviously, it's important that we understand how the fight and flight or sympathetic response impacts on ourselves and on our clients all the time. But then what we'll have time for in this new course is plenty of time to explore the very many ways in which we can engender a calming response within the human system. We'll have plenty of time to look at breathwork and other modalities in this day. And then we'll finish this first course with a quick look at completing the rest of the picture, looking at how diet and sleep fit into an overall pattern of what we can call therapeutic lifestyle change to help people with their physical as well as their mental and emotional health. So I very much hope that whether or not you've been on the original mind-body connection course, there'll be plenty here either to revisit in a new way, or take more time to understand more in depth. And as I say, the main areas that we can really expand on in this day are exploring physical movement as it applies to mental and emotional health, and also looking a lot more at various techniques for engendering calm. See you soon. Bye-bye.